Hey guys, it's Bree Halo here, and this is the redo of my Ahsoka Tano makeup tutorial. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video, although they're pretty much just body paints. Music used is listed at the end of the video. Please remember to like this video, give it a Padawan thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on other social media that I may or may not have, share with friends, family, etc. And as always, leave any comments or requests in that little comments box below. And definitely leave your requests. I'm taking in a lot at the moment. Not that I'm getting a lot in, but I'm taking in a lot of more requests at the moment so that I can try and film a bulk of them all at once and then slowly get to edit them all and get back to a regular uploading schedule, because I've been gone for months because it's just been hectic over here. So hopefully I can get back into a regular routine for you guys. I really am looking forward to your comments on this one. I think it's exceeded my expectations of what I thought it could be today. Looks a lot better than the orange Oompa Loompa I did about 4 or 5 years ago now. I spent about 6 hours wasting my time trying to make a new lekku for Ahsoka. I'm pretty sure they're still called lekku. I might be pronouncing it wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Although I can't hear pronunciation in the comments, so good luck.
So what you want to do first is take your light yellow body paint and paint that on the highlight areas of your face, such as your forehead, nose, cheeks and chin. Blend it out into your skin a little bit so it's not that harsh. Then taking your orange body paint, blend it over the top. You may want to blend it in with the yellow first before putting it onto your skin, just so that it's not too bright. And then as you proceed with more layers, add more and more orange to the shadowy areas of your face. If at any time your face does seem still a bit too yellow, you can just continue on with the orange. And taking that same orange, I've just outlined the top of where the neck piece of her outfit is and painted that in orange. And here I'm concentrating the orange more into the shadowed areas and then going in, blending in some pink body paint with the orange to create that shadowy pink colour that she has. And I'm contouring my nose with this pink orange blend, as well as around the sides of my temples, cheeks, chin, and under my nose and just under my bottom lip as well. Now if at any point your body paint does seem a bit too dark, you can always go back in with the light yellow and the orange to lighten it up a bit further. At this stage I missed a bit of the orange around my eyes, so I've just taken a bit more orange and filled that part in as well. Using the same method, I've just painted on my shoulders in the light yellow first, bringing that colour down my collarbone as well. Then going in with the yellow-orange blend, then just as the orange, and then going in with the pink blend, pink-orange blend as well. And if that does seem a bit too pink, you can always go back through with the orange and then just blend out until you feel it looks better. You can go back in with the yellow, orange or pink at any time in case you do feel like it is getting too light or too dark. And taking a rose brown body paint, I've just painted on her clothing in the areas that I've left open. Now I could have gone in with a bit more detail and shaded with more browns and that sort of stuff, but I wasn't really feeling up to it at this stage, and even though the brown was a bit streaky, it did lend itself to adding more highlights and shadows and looking a bit more natural. Taking that same rose brown, I've done the armbands on her arms. Couldn't really get a good angle of this one, so I'm just trying to show off a bit there. I also did the glove and her braces on her arms in that same colour again. And I did add a couple more layers around the shadowy areas of her arm braces. And then taking white, painting on the markings on her face. You need to be a little careful with this one. You may need to paint a few coats just because the white does tend to mix in with the orange and become a very pale yellow colour. Try and get it as identical as you can on either side, but it doesn't really matter too much since they are natural markings and do change with time. Make sure that you're always checking with your reference photo and making sure that both sides are as identical as you can possibly get them. Then line your eyes with your favourite eyeliner. And use your favourite mascara as well. And taking a bit of pink, I mixed it in with the rose brown colour and blended it in to create a lipstick, and then also use that colour on my eyes as well.